Good everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix Gameplatformservices.dll is either not designed to run on Windows or it contains an error in Windows. Now, there are a couple of steps which you could try to get this issue resolved. Now, the first step is to go ahead and repair or reset Xbox app on your computer. To do this, you will have to click on the search. In the search window, you may go ahead and type Xbox. You can do a right click and then click on app settings. This should open the app settings for your Xbox app. Once you're on this window, you will have to scroll down and click on terminate to make sure the processes for Xbox apps are stopped, and then choose the option which says repair. So this will try to go ahead and reset or repair the Xbox app on the computer. Now, when you're doing it, make sure you have your credentials handy with you, just in case if it prompts you to enter your username and password when you open Xbox app, you have those handy. Once that is done, you may go ahead and click on reset and then click on reset again. Once this is complete, you may close this window, restart your computer and check if you're getting this error message. In case if you're not getting this error message, you don't need to try the next step. Now the next step is to go ahead and reinstall Xbox app and gaming services on the computer. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on settings. Once you're on the settings window, you will have to go ahead and click on apps and then choose the option which says installed apps. Once you're on the installed apps, you can go ahead and search for Xbox and then click on the three dotted lines or ellipses and then choose the option which says advanced option. Under this, scroll down to the extreme bottom and then click on terminate. Scroll down and choose the option which says uninstall. Once the uninstallation is complete, the next thing what you will have to do is you will have to go ahead and uninstall the gaming services from the computer. To do this, you will have to open PowerShell on the computer. So you can, in the search window, you may go ahead and type PowerShell. You will see the best match for PowerShell. So you can do a right click on Windows PowerShell and then choose Run as Administrator. Just in case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on yes or continue on the screen. Once you have the PowerShell open, you will have to copy the command from the video description and do a right click on the PowerShell or paste the command here. So basically what you're doing here is you're uninstalling the gaming services from the computer. Once you have the command, hit enter. This will go ahead and uninstall PowerShell gaming services from the computer. Close this window, restart your computer. Once you restart your computer, you will have to go ahead and reinstall the Xbox app and the gaming services on your computer. So to do this, you will have to open Microsoft Store. So in the search window, you may go ahead and type Microsoft Store. Open Microsoft Store on the computer. Here in the search, go ahead and look for Xbox app. Double click on Xbox app. Click on Get to install Xbox app on the computer. Wait until the download is complete and the installation is complete. Once the Xbox app has been successfully installed, the next thing what you will have to do is you will have to install the gaming services on the computer. For that, you will have to open PowerShell. In the search window, you may go ahead and type PowerShell. Do a right click on Windows PowerShell and then choose Run as Administrator. In case if you get a prompt for you may go ahead and click on yes. Once you are on the PowerShell, you will have to copy the command from the video description and do a right click or paste it here using the Control V. This is the command to go ahead and install the gaming services. So hit enter. Once you have the command, this will open the Microsoft Store to install gaming services. Click on install. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on yes or continue on the screen. Wait until the download and the installation is complete. Once the installation is complete, you will see an option which says the gaming services has been installed. This is the message what you would see. You may close this window, close all the window, restart your computer, and that should fix the problem. So in spite of trying all this step, and if you're still facing a problem, the next step is to go ahead and reset your computer without deleting any files. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on settings. Once you're on the settings, you will have to go ahead and click on Windows Update. Under this, you will see an option which says advanced option. Click on advanced option. Here, you would have to locate for recovery. So click on recovery and then choose the option which says reset this PC, and then click on reset this PC. Under this, make sure you choose the option which says keep my files and then follow the instructions on the screen. That will go ahead and reset your PC without deleting any files from the computer. Wait until the complete reset is done. Once that is done, that should fix the problem. So in spite of trying all this step, and if you're still facing a problem, you can leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with the possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.